Finding the courage to change, losing by comparing. In the past, when someone disagreed with me, I was upset. I felt threatened. If we didn't agree, that meant that somebody must be wrong. I didn't want to be wrong, so I made the other person wrong. Others labeled me right back. Then I felt excluded, unwanted, misunderstood. Couldn't they see what a nice person I was? Didn't they remember the good times we had together? What's wrong with them anyway? Nothing was wrong except the label that I had already tagged them with. Finally, I realized that if others could misunderstand me, that I might be making the same mistake. Perhaps I was misunderstanding them. I was judging them by their outer behavior rather than seeing the goodness that I knew was inside their heart. I suspect that many people feel a little broken on the inside. They're hiding their fear, anxiety, loneliness, and sadness pretty well behind an outer facade. It can be difficult to see that they're struggling with the same issues that I have. Comparing myself to them is like mistaking the actor for the role that he played on stage. When I forget that, I cut myself off from the best part of another person. I deny myself the opportunity to get to know the real person hidden behind the facade. When I compare myself to others, I also hurt myself. I feel the shame of not measuring up to that facade. The best way to stop feeling not good enough is to stop comparing myself to others.